morning, students. In the last video, we have seen different kinds of nouns and single and plural nouns. Okay. In this video, we will see countable and uncountable nouns. What is its meaning and how they are classified. Okay. So let's start. All nouns can be categorized into two groups. They are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, till now we have seen different categories of nouns. Okay, today we focus on countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so let's first see countable nouns. So, what do you mean by countable nouns? Okay, write down. Countable nouns are those nouns that we can count. Okay, so you can understand simple meaning of countable is something that we can count. Okay, so countable nouns are those nouns that we can count. In other words, they have a number. Countable nouns therefore have two forms, singular and plural. Okay, so anything that we can count is called countable. Okay, means we can count them as 1, 2, 3. Okay, they have number. Okay, and therefore they have two forms, singular and plural. So if you take example of pen, okay, so pen is a noun and we can count that. Okay, that's why it comes under countable nouns. So we can count such as 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens. So we can count that in numbers. Okay, and also there are two forms, singular and plural. Means a pen is a singular form and 2 pens, 3 pens are the plural forms. Okay, so what do you understand by countable nouns? Countable nouns are the nouns which we can count. Okay, as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have already learnt in the previous chapter that singular is just one thing and plural is more than one thing. So that you know that. Okay, singular means a single thing and plural means more than one thing. Okay. So here are some examples. The first example is of a boy. A boy is a singular noun and boys is a plural noun. How? Because if we have to address the one boy, then what we call a boy means a single boy. It is a singular form. It is countable. If there are 2, 3 boys, then what we say? There are 2 boys. There are 3 boys. That means there are more than one boys. Okay, means more than one thing. So it comes under plural. And we can count that. Okay, 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boys. So this comes under countable nouns. Second is a pen. Okay, I have explained you earlier. Okay, a pen. For a single pen, we use a pen. And for more pens, we use pens. And we can count that. Same in case of an ice cube. Okay. For a single ice cube, we use just ice cube, an ice cube, and for more, we use ice cubes. Okay. Church, churches. So we can count that, no? 1 church, 2 churches, 3 churches. So this comes under plural. Then an egg, a single egg, and eggs is its plural form. An owl, and owls is its plural form. A man is a singular. Okay, a man, only single man. And man means there are various mens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, means men, and we can count that. Okay, there are 5 men, there are 4 men. Okay, so a man is a singular form and plural form, and it comes under countable nouns because we can count that. One toe, toes. Okay, it is a singular form, it is a plural form. So all these things, okay, comes under countable nouns because we can count that, okay, and we have its singular and plural form. Okay, so remember these key points, okay, write down. Numbers like 1, 2, 3 can be used with countable nouns. Okay, means we can count, that means we can count as 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens. So it comes under countable noun. A or an can be used before them to indicate the singular number. Okay, means for a singular thing we use a or an. Okay, so here you have seen, okay, a pen, okay, an ice cube, okay, means a and an is used in singular form, and in plural form no such articles are used. Okay, countable nouns can also be used in the plural. Okay, so you have seen that they have both the singular and plural forms. Now we will see uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Okay, means we cannot count uncountable nouns. Okay, they do not have a number. They usually have only a singular form. They can either be concrete or abstract in nature. Okay, so countable nouns means that we can count, and uncountable nouns means that we cannot count. Okay, and they do not have number. As we cannot count that, obviously they don't have any number. Okay, and they usually have only singular form. Okay, and they can be either concrete or abstract. So we have seen in earlier videos, okay, what is concrete noun and what is abstract noun. Okay, so what is concrete noun? Concrete noun names things that we can see, hear, smell, touch, taste. Okay, and also that occupies space. And abstract nouns are, these are an idea or a quality or a state. Okay, we cannot see that, hear that, smell. Okay, we just feel that, okay, or experience that. Okay, so let's see which are the concrete and abstract nouns. First is bread. Okay, bread is a concrete noun. Okay, but we cannot count as 1 bread, 2 bread, 3 bread. Okay, coffee, we also cannot count coffee. Okay, so what we can count, if we say a cup of coffee, then it is okay, but we cannot say that give me a coffee, give me 2 coffees, give me 3 coffees. So these are uncountable nouns. Joy, okay, time. So here we cannot means say that I have a single joy. Okay, I am in a single joy, I am in a 2 joys. Okay, so these are not countable. Okay, these are uncountable. Time, we also cannot count time. Okay, again next is cotton. Okay, so cotton is also uncountable noun because we cannot say that, okay, give me a cotton, give me 2 cottons, 3 cottons. Okay, so these are all are the uncountable nouns. Food, duty, love, we cannot count that, okay, as 1 food, 2 foods, 3 foods, 4 foods. No, okay, only food is there. Okay, we cannot count that. Love, okay, we cannot say that give me 1 love, 2 love, 3 love. Okay, so we Simply we cannot count that. Okay, they are countless, uncountable. These are some key points, okay, related to uncountable nouns. Numbers like 1, 2, 3 cannot be used with uncountable nouns. Okay, so I have explained this earlier. Okay, we cannot say that 1 joy, 2 joy, 3 joy. So these are uncountable. We cannot use a or an with them. Okay, so these are rules. Okay, that we cannot use a or an with them. We cannot use them in the plural. Okay, we also cannot use that in the plural. Okay, so this all is about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, have you understood? Countable nouns are those nouns that we can count, and uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Okay, we cannot give them numbers. Okay, they can be either concrete or abstract, and they don't have singular and plural forms. Okay, they only have a single form, and in countable nouns they have both singular and plural forms. Okay, thank you.